Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the jobber for your electrical business. So whether you're a solo electrician or managing a small team, so if you want to stay organized, book more jobs, and get paid faster, then this tool can really help you. Okay, so first, what is Jobber? So, Jobber is a business management application or a tool that helps electricians to manage your clients, schedule jobs, send codes and invoices, and track work in real time. So, you gotta think of it as your all in one system for running your electrical business. So, first is you just have to open any of your web browser, okay, and then you just have to search for Jobber. That's right. And then after that, you'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to tap on this one. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then you'd be able to see the start for free option. So you just have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. And then after creating your account, you will be directed here to your dashboard. Okay, so once you're here, of course, the very first thing that we are going to do once we are inside our dashboard is to add our clients. Okay, so just go to the clients option. So this one, that's right, and then you'll be able to see here all of your clients. So just tap on the new client option. Okay, and then you just have to give this client a name. For example, Mary. Okay, so I'm just type it right here, the last name as well. And then if they have a company name, then you gotta add that right here. Then for the communication, their email, you can also add those. Then for lead information, so for the lead source, you just gonna select one, for example, from Facebook. And then if you have an additional clients, a detail, so you just gotta add those right here. And then for the additional contacts, so you can do that right here. And then of course the property address, so you gotta enter the primary service address, the billing address, or any additional locations where services may take place. And then after that, you just have to tap on the save client option. Okay, so this helps you stay organized and avoid repeating questions. The next one is to create your code. So once you are done adding your new clients, you just have to make your code. So just have to go here, tap on this one, okay, and then tap on the new code option. That's right, and then just tap on the create new code. And then here for the example service, you just have to type out like wiring installation, panel upgrade, outlet repair, or lighting installation. You can also add a service, set your price. Okay, so you gotta set your price right here and then send it to your client. So you have the option right here, send us email, send us text message, convert to job, or mark as awaiting response. Okay, so clients can improve codes online, which makes you look more professional. Then once a client approves, you just have to go to your calendar. Okay, so just go here to your schedule. That's right. Okay, so here just have to schedule the job, assign it to yourself or to your electricians. So for example, we are going to create a new task right here. That's right. And then after that, you can also set job duration, add instructions, and then create recurring maintenance jobs. And this one is perfect for regular clients like office or commercial spaces. And then after that, dispatch and job details. So on the job, on the day of the job, open the Jobber app, check your schedule, tap on the job, and you'll see the client location, the job details, notes, and instructions. So this is super helpful so you don't forget anything. And then after finishing the work, mark the job as complete. Okay, so you just have to go here to your jobs, then you'd be able to mark them right here as complete. And then you can also add notes like what's fixed, parts used, in any follow-up needed. So this gives a records for future visits. So of course you have to create your invoice, so you can send invoice and get paid. Just go to the invoice option, you just have to go here. Okay, so clients can pay online, use cards or other payment methods. You just have to create your new invoice, review the charges, and send it via email or SMS. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.